welcome to this video on how to simplify rational expressions. So in this video, we'll be doing a couple of examples on how to simplify rational expressions. Okay, let's get into it. So our first question is 10x squared times by y cubed over 15x cubed times by y to the power of 7. So how do we do this? So the first thing you should do, so I like to draw up the factors of both of these numbers. So for 10, the factors are 2 and 5. So you can write it 2 times 5. And for 15, the factors are 3 and 5. So write it as 3 times by 5. And for x, you can factor it as x times x. So x times by x. And for y, it basically means, so y cubed basically means y times y times y. Okay, for 15, so x to the power of 3, it's basically x times by x and times by x. Okay, so now y to the power of 7, you're just going to write y 7 times. So, okay. So that's y to the power of 7. Okay, so now when you get to this stage, it's the easiest stage. You just cut out what's alike between both the denominator and the numerator. Okay, so we can cancel out 5 and 5, because that would give you 1, and x, and then you can cancel out 3 of the y's from the top with 3 of the bottom. Okay, so now we're left with 2 over 3, and then just do this blue. So 2 over 3, and we have nothing left on the numerator, so everything's going to be from the denominator. So it would be x and y, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 y's. So y to the power of 4. I'll just read it. Okay, so it will look like this. So equal to 2 over 3 x y to the power of 4. So that's your answer. Okay, so now for our next question. 6x squared times by y to the power of 4 over 8 times by x to the power of 7 times by y times by 7 to the power of 3. Okay, so same thing. So equals, so the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So you can go 2 times by 3. Just make sure to draw the line. Okay, for factors of 8 are 2 and 4. And for the top one, x squared is also can be written as x times x. And y can be also written as y times y times y times y. Okay, so now for the denominator. Okay, for x to the power of 7, you just write x 7 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's only one y, so 1. And then there's 3 z's, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to just cut out everything that's alike between the numerator and the denominator. So you can cut 2, x, and you can cut 1 y. Okay, so that's basically what's left. So I'll write it down at the bottom. I'll write in blue. Okay, so for our top, I'm just going to write it over here. So I'll just rub this out. Rub this. So at the top, it's going to be 3 y to the power of 3 over 4 to the power of, so 4 times by x to the power of x to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x's to the power of 5. So, and then z to the power of 3. Z to the power of 3. Oh, let's redo this for you. Okay. So z to the power of 3. So that's basically your answers. And you can check. Sometimes it's best to just recount them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, yep. And 1, 2, 3 z's. Okay, so now let's do some more. Okay, so 6x plus 8 over 3x minus 4 times by 3x plus 4. So this question is going to involve factoring. So, you've learned probably from algebra how to factor out what's alike and, yeah. So, you take what's alike with 6x plus 8. So, what's alike between 6 and 8, which would be 2, because both numbers are even. So, you can obviously take 2, and then you put in a bracket. So, and then you'll have 3. So, okay. So now 2 times by 3. And what's left is x. Sorry, so x plus 4. And it'll be over 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 4. And you can also check if you've factored it out, right? Because you can just expand. You can just expand to check it if it's right or not. Okay, so now what's alike? So we can cut out 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. And then we're left with 2 over 3x minus 4. So that's your answer. So for the last one, let's do it in black. Okay, 10x plus 25. So, you've probably learned from fractions, 10 over 25. Both numbers are divisible. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So your answer would be 2 over 5. So in this case, we can take out 5. And then, when you take out 5, 10 divided by 5, you can get 2. And then you're left with an x plus 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. And then over, I'll just do that again, over 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. So now, same thing, you cut what's alike. So we're just going to cut this out. And you're left with 5 over 2x minus 5. So that's your answer. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed this video on how to simplify rational expressions. If you haven't already subscribe because it means a lot. And I'll see you later. Bye.